Magwiwid naman tayo ng siguro. Oh, ay, mistake. Hindi, not what I meant. Puda. Hoy! Nawa yung papag-anin. Alright guys, eh. Tuwali nga sabay rin. Tuwali nga sabay guys. Tuwali nga sabay. Gawin natin siya namin, no? Chat, please W this screen. Oh!
4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Please help me. Please! Yo! Yo! Ano yung nangyayari? No, come on. Go again! Bro, again! You help me, come on.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I need to release somebody. Kailangan yung mga campers mag-release ko para di sila magalaw. Oh, come on. Come on, help me, man. Come on, kailangan natin mag-release. Siya, ano, kaya... What the? Yo? Somebody, siya mag-read. Yo! Ano yun? Bro! Alright, wait. Hold up. Let me switch something, guys. Ayan. Oh, syempre. Yan. Hold up, guys. Let me see yung din. Ba't wala? Alright, guys. Bro, stop. May inaayos ako dito, par. Alright, done. Yan na natin mag-read. Hey! No. Come on. Ayaw natin mag-rap. Hold up. Antayin mo to. Ay! Tignan sa akin na rin. Yo! Mali yun na rin ko. Ano ba yung... Okay, tara na nga. Nope. Pangit ko mag-idas. Yep. Sila. Bro, stop moving. got it. Oh. Yo? Op. Yan yung hindi gagalaw.
Very hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm very.
Wait, nasan siya? Yeah. Bro! See me like what? Pangit ng this. Wait, I need to save people. Bro! Saan yung ano? Amelia. Where's Amelia? Amelia Rodrigo. Sorry. Whee! Where is them? Ay. Come on. And to save my... Wow! Ed. Oh! Come on. Nice one. Oh. I need to find something. Come on. That was so cringe. Sorry guys. To make this up, I will pay for your therapy. Oh, ano yun? The homecoming. Let me die. Don't let me die. Yes guys, it's time to read. Hold up. Alam ko yung yan. The juggler. Mama! May ayam ko!
Wake up!
No.
Wake up!
Too much.
Wake up.
Leave me alone, bro. Stop. Finally. Nakapag-heal na rin ako.
Weekly frown.
Guys.
Wake up!
Weekly frown. Wake up.
Sorry. Oh my god,
Wake up.
I got nervous. Alright. May nalis tayo ng una. Wake up! Eating na!
Where you leave from?
Why so serious?
Wake up.
Hindi ako serious. Stop. Stop.
Where are your fingers?
Wait, what? Ano daw? Yo? Ano yun? Oh, why so serious? Oh no, I have to save them. Kailangan ko sila save. Where are they?
Wake up. Wake up.
Stop. Leave me alone. Finally. We can rest. Yo. Alright, second to read again, guys. Guys, please edit. Ayusin ko. Bonasan sila. Oh no. Wait lang. Kasi ba i-help?
Let's go, guys. Of course.
Not my time to read. Fortnite victory. Yeah, Fortnite we got to get up. Good job. Yeah, Fortnite we got to get up. It's a good time to read. Stop. Alright, nandito ako sa baba. Someone help me. Oh, yo, lumilipad.
Let's go, guys. Of course we go shopping.
I wanna be your Superman. I wanna be your Superman. Come on. Bro. Huh? I actually want to. Number 1 victory! Royal! Yeah, Fortnite, we about to get it. Alright. We gonna. Oh no. Kaya. Oh, di pwede mag. Ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na ito kung paano mag-internet live sa mobile. Hold up. Oh! Nasli. Ako ang pinipigil. Come on, we got to get help.
Let's go, guys.
Leave me alone, nigger. Ay. Oh.
We're Costco. Of course we go shopping while eating a chicken bake.
Leave me alone, man. Telepon.
Let's go, guys. Of course we go shopping.
Wow! Let's run! Ah! We have nowhere to learn. Run! Run in the lock. Yep. Okay. So time to read again. Alright, okay. Bro, stop! Yeah. Alright. Alright. Guys, ayun lang for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. Yep. Bye.